guys, today I want to do an unboxing and review on my Greenshot GL1000 Rangefinder. Just FYI, to get sent this in for a review by the company. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing, check it out, and we'll go into some of the cool features it's got. So, come with the cool carrying case. That's pretty cool, honestly. It's like a hard case. See what the item actually looks like. Very nice, okay. It's sturdy, but yet lightweight. Very, very cool. You get the Type-C cable. It is a rechargeable one. The clip. User manual, cleaning cloth. All right, I'm just gonna do a quick overview on the item itself, and then we'll go into some of the details. So you got your power button up here. You have your mode button right here. It has 4 different modes. You have your charger right here for the Type-C, and then this slope switch right here. So that's kind of just like the quick brief overview. Now let's get into some of the details. All right, so let's get to some of the details of this new rangefinder. So I do like that it has that flag lock technology, which means it could just quickly lock into target and give you like a vibration alert. So that's pretty cool. It does have a 7x magnification and LCD on the inside, which I'll try to show you here in a second. You can quickly toggle with this mode. It has scan mode, golf mode, shooting mode, and speed mode. So like just basically everything that you need. It also features slope measurements functionality, which helps you measure distance on slopes accurately. It can also distance up to 1,200 yards, which was the max that I saw that it does. It does about 1,200 yards on here. One of the cool things about it, it does have a magnetic piece to it right here. So check this out. You can literally just clip this onto whatever it is that you need. It's a very strong magnet. So very, very cool feature that I thought it had. One of the things that I also wanted to point out is even though it is a rechargeable battery, it also does it is weather resistant, so it doesn't matter if it gets rained on or anything like that. It can be exposed to heat, rain, anything like that. Very, very good safety features on it. Just overall, like the rubber on here, on the rubber handle, just makes it for a very, very good grip, which I really, really liked. Like I said, I'm not like the biggest golfer by no means, but having this as your tool can really, really help you out. Even if it's not golfing, like you can actually use this as well for if you're hunting or something like that. So, or if you want to give this as a gift, this would make a great gift to either hunters or golfers, anything like that. So let's go ahead and try it out and see what it looks like. Here is the rangefinder in action. As you can see, I do apologize that it is a bit shaky as I'm trying to hold my phone and the rangefinder at the same time. But as you can see, it looks really, really good on here. Here in a second, I'll push the different features that it has. I'll quickly go through the modes, which is scan mode, golf mode, hunting mode, and speed mode. As you can see, you'll see it at the top part. It says M3, M4. As you can see, the quality of how it looks, it's very clear, very bright. Even though I'm trying to hold my phone, you can still tell it looks really, really well. So again, if you're looking for a really good rangefinder, I would highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.